All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? I know I didn't make a video for like 2 weeks, but you know what? I'm gonna get into a habit to record every Monday, okay? Every friggin' Monday. You guys can hold that to me. From now on, every Monday I will record a video. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do my everyday kind of neutral look when I do my makeup, which is very rare, by the way. I really don't do my makeup that often, probably like once a week if I'm even going anywhere. It's very simple, very glowy, it's very beginner friendly. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Always, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I take way too long. But I'm going to go ahead and use my Claudile Recovery Oil, as well as my NYX Away We Glow Illuminizer in Untamed, and my Lancôme Custom Highlight Drops in Golden Glow. I always like to ensure that I really glow up my skin before I put anything on it. In the middle of my face, I'm going to prep my face with my favorite matte primer from Becca. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Sally Beauty's Collab Bright Spark Radiant Foundation in Tawny. I actually really do like this foundation. Today for concealer, I decided to use my 385 Fenty concealer alongside with the Machstix in Expresso. Lately, I've been finding myself reaching for my Fenty Machstix to contour because I just feel like it's so easy. It blends out so effortlessly on the skin, and the color is just perfect. I also added a little bit concealer, and I used the Acoyn Skin Enhancer in 12. I'm going to set underneath my contour with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Powder in the color Y. I love to use this powder for underneath my contour. It's one of the only olive warm powders that I found actually complement my skin complexion really nicely. I'm just blending out the concealer with my Real Technique sponge and setting my concealer with my all-time favorite setting powder, Mercier Translucent. If you don't like this stuff, I don't know, you're crazy. I'm now giving my eyelids some depth by using my Bare Minerals powder in Truffle, and I'm also going ahead and setting my eyelids with a shadow from the Jacklin Hill palette, and the color is in Silk Cream. I'm dusting away all that powder, making sure that everything's blended, as well as going back into that truffle powder and using it to contour my face. And my nose very slightly because I don't like anything too crazy. Using my Inglot Gel liner in 77, I'm just doing some eyeliner. This part, it just killed me because honestly, I be cussing my clients for them not being able to look up, and shit's not that easy. It's really not. Going into my e.l.f. blush palette in lights, I'm taking the peach-ish type of color and the coral color, and I'm just applying that to my face to give my face some color. And I'm gonna spray my MAC Fix Plus on my face just so I can prep my face for highlights. One of my favorite matte lip combos when I'm not wearing gloss, because I'm always wearing gloss, is the Colorpop matte lippies in Hennyways and Midnight Snack. And to blend it out, I also use my Tarte Brownie matte lipstick. I love this combo, it's super pretty. For a highlight, I went in with my Fenty Beauty KILLAWAT Chick Freak highlighter. It's like a champagne rosy color. It's super pretty on my skin complexion. And in my inner quarter, I'm using a Jordane Cosmetics Louche Shimmer, just a golden color, just to give me a little bit of a pop. And that's it, super quick and easy. Thank you for watching my everyday neutral glam. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.